Assurance wireless phones can lock for several reasons, including incorrect SIM pin entries, Google account lock after factory resets on Android devices, and Apple account lock on iPhones. A SIM pin is a 4-8-digit code that locks your SIM card to prevent it from being used in another device. If entered incorrectly 3 times, the phone requests a PUK code, which you can get from Assurance Wireless at 1-888-898-4888. Google Account Lock, also called Factory Reset Protection, secures Android devices by tying them to your Google account. After a factory reset, the phone requires the original Google account credentials to proceed. On iPhones, Apple Account Lock or Activation Lock requires your iCloud password and two-factor authentication to reactivate the device after a factory reset. If you forget your credentials, you'll need to use Apple's account recovery tools. Factory resets, while sometimes necessary, will trigger these account locks if not properly handled. Remember, bypassing these locks without authorization violates Assurance Wireless's terms of service. If you encounter a SIM pin lockout, first try retrieving your PUK code from Assurance Wireless support. For Google Account Lock, also known as Factory Reset Protection, use Google's account recovery process. You may need to provide proof of device ownership. For Apple Activation Lock, use Apple's recovery process, which may involve trusted devices or recovery keys. If the above recovery processes fail, contact Assurance Wireless support for assistance. To prevent future lockouts, enable two-factor authentication on your Google and Apple accounts. Back up your data regularly and carefully. Record your account credentials and recovery options. Avoid third-party unlocking services, as they pose malware risks. Be cautious when resetting your phone. Ensure you know your account details beforehand. Consider biometric authentication for convenience, but remember to have backup methods in case biometrics fail. Recent FCC guidelines emphasize user education on secure backups to prevent lockouts.